Понеслась. Давай.
The offensive potential of the Russians is declining along the entire front line, write the Institute for the Study of War in its latest analysis. Analysts believe that the Russian army is using artillery to compensate for its reduced offensive capabilities. The Russians are not moving seriously anywhere. In addition, the rate of shelling in Bakhmut and its environs has somewhat decreased in some areas, while in others it has completely stopped. The Russian offensive on Avdiivka has bogged down. The Russian armed forces still do not control Mariinka, although they have turned the city into ruins. And in one of the leaked Pentagon documents we can see the assessment of the casualties in Ukraine. According to one of the documents, Russian forces had suffered 189,500 to 223,000 casualties as of February, including as many as 43,000 troops killed in action. Ukraine had suffered 124,500 to 131,000 casualties, with up to 17,500 killed in action. So the ratio is 1-3 in favor of Ukraine. And fierce battles for Bakhmut are continuing. The video is from the soldiers of the sniper group Ghost, of the separate presidential brigade.
Є? Бачиш роботу? Понеслась. Давай.
Polish medical volunteer Damian Duda reports from Bakhmut that the city stands and continues to fight against the Russian invasion. And let's take a pause with the comedy hour. Meet the 1st Handshaking Brigade from Belarus. Their handshake is deadly.
Передать военнослужащим вооруженных сил Республики Беларусь.
Let's continue with serious matter. In Odessa, the Ukrainian Secret Service SBU detained a Navy conscript who, according to investigators, was transmitting data to the Russian military about the location of the headquarters, military equipment and ammunition depots, and also tried to film the location of HIMARS. According to the intelligence service, the conscript was recruited at the beginning of the war. He received the pseudonym Krimchanin and worked out the tasks of collecting data on the defense of Odessa. He communicated with the enemy via an anonymous messenger using a different SIM card. He sent data on the location of the headquarters, equipment, warehouses with rocket and artillery weapons in the form of text and marks on the map. He is charged with Part 2 of Article 111, treason under martial law. This is what the Russian army is stealing from Ukrainian houses.
Лампа, блядь, гіпсокартон. Єба. Це, дивіться, те, що пиздили ці, бать, підари. Дивіться, що це ліска, єбать, нам мотокосу, єбать. Вони навіть не знають нахуя воно. Дивіться, блядь. Скоби. Єбать, це того, чого не хватає зараз, блядь, підарасі, єбать.
Вражки не хватає
саморезів. Кончені рашки, да. Не хватає саморезів, єбать, це пізда.
This is how Vuhledar looks like after Russian attempt to liberate it from its own people. This is interesting. Russian Navy Black Sea Fleet PR 636 Kilo class submarine B-268 Veliki Novgorod, seen at the submarine dock in Sevastopol, Crimea on August 2, 2023. The submarine is sitting high in the water, exposing a large amount of marine growth on its hull. This will have an impact on the submarine's speed in the water as well as its acoustic signature. It is also not a good sign of the level of maintenance of their fleet. I have ceased to be amazed. 100 Ukrainians, 80 male and 20 female, have been released from the Russian captivity. The first emotions, the first tears, the first conversations with family.
Західної допомоги і найближчим часом почнеться нормальний контрнаступ, який дасть змогу нам звільнити абсолютно всю територію України. А разом з тим ми повернемо там наших українських хлопців і дівчат додому. Слава Україні! Героям слава!
Мама, а що ти кажеш? Мамулька, а що там, хлопчик чи дівчинка?
Ukrainian Su-27 and MiG-29 pilots are so severe that they use simple roads as airfields. And for the end, Ukrainian soldier Ivan Sokolets posing next to the pickup that you raised the funds for.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.